node project. A lot of people seem to like the nodes. I have a few of them. This one's a new one. It's on Avalanche Network. It's Jurassic Nodes. And this is their Twitter, at Jurassic Nodes. And the token is Dino. And then here they have, you can win something. They do have the Discord here. And the theme is, Jurassic, like Jurassic Park, the movie. So if you go to their website, I'll just go from here, their dashboard, which I might have already been on. This was their Dino camp, actually. This is where you can get your referral link. But anyway, this is what the dashboard looks like. The home is like this. Get started by Dino. You need 20 to create a node, and it's 5% a day, so it's pretty high actually. Here's the dashboard. The current price is $7.49. Oh, my phone's ringing. Sorry about that. Anyway, yeah, so it's $7.49. You need 20 to get T-Rex. They have the 20 or the 50. They have two types of nodes that you can get. And this species, well, okay, this species is not very threatening, but you will be able to take advantage of the benefits that their egg brings to you. Price Dino daily rewards. So with this one, you get 1 Dino daily. With the T-Rex eggs, wow, you have to buy 20 daily rewards. Hold at least 40. Okay, I'm not exactly sure what you get exactly here every day, but I guess you do get rewards. Daily rewards, 20 Dino. It says. You just get your rewards in Dino. I guess you'll have to see what you get. It's 5%. So, and then they have the Dino Camp, which has referral links and cash prizes. I guess they give you a prize depending on your referrals. And then over here is where you buy Dino. You buy it on Trader Joe's, on the Avalanche Network. And then the chart is here, so you can see the price of Dino currently. Dex screener, it's currently down to $7. It went all the way up to $9. So this might be a good time to get in if you're interested. So like 7 times 2, maybe 140, 100 and something dollars to get this node, to get the smaller node. And then you get 5% on that daily. The only thing I didn't see, like in the white paper and stuff, I didn't see like an audit or anything, unless there is one in here. Introduction, explanation, tokenomics, supply, sale taxes, claim taxes, launch details, team, what is next. So the intro, yeah, it's talking about the 5% daily, you need 20 Dino. They're saying you only need 10 days to get your initial investment back. Okay, they want to be sustainable. Our visions, talking about the selling, the taxes, how that will help. I'm just looking to see if they have your rewards. You can come here and read all through this so you can see what it's about. To reward our most loyal members, we have put in place two different types of nodes. Yeah, so you get 5% daily on these nodes. And then there is tax. The claim is 15%. By upgrading your nodes to T-Rex, it's 10%. So the smaller is 15 and the bigger is 10% when you claim. Tokenomics, they tell you the breakdown there. Looks like this is a rewards pool, which is pretty big. This is the LP, and the team is this. This is the sale tax. So if you claim on the first day, it's 20%, second day, 15, third day, 10, and then 5% per minute, it says. So depending on how long, the higher your tax plate. The sooner you sell, the longer you hold, the less taxes you pay when you claim. Launch details. Anyone that will buy before Discord Twitter announcement will be blacklisted. So it already started. So it's not a big deal. What's next? Testnet DApp, DApp Live, listing on Coin Market Cap and Coin Gecko, I guess, Market Gecko. More aggressive marketing campaign, partnerships. I don't see anything about an audit so far. Just about the taxes. Yeah, so maybe they're not looking to get audited, doxed. We don't do a pre-sale, therefore no need to have multi-sig. The team is anonymous, but we're all 6. Okay. Okay, so that is kind of high risk. They're not doxed and no audit. So just invest at your own risk. Some people do really like nodes and they really like to learn about the new projects. So I just wanted to bring that to you. And I think it has a really cool theme if you're into that. And also it's like 5% daily. So that's pretty good. And it's not that expensive right now. So if you want to take the risk, then maybe Jurassic Nodes is something for you. But this is not financial advice, and I hope you enjoy. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe if you want more of this content. Thank you. Bye-bye.